Hey guys, in today's video, I will teach you how to activate Amazon Prime. So we go to shop in Amazon Prime. So this is Amazon Prime. So we can see here that we are in the Amazon page. So now we just search Amazon Prime here at the top page, and then we click this Amazon Prime. Here we can see that there is a 30-day free trial for Amazon Prime. Free delivery, award-winning TV exclusive deals, and more, or for only $14.99. You can see here the perks of Amazon Prime. Full access to Alexa, unlimited streaming, and fast and free delivery. So here we can choose the plan whether it's Prime Monthly, Prime Annual, Prime for Young Adults, or Prime Access. So we just choose which Prime to activate. So let's say Prime Monthly. So we have a 30-day free trial. So we can just have this billing address, and here are the terms and conditions, and simply click start your free trial of Prime. So that's it. That will be all for today's video, and I hope you learn how to activate Amazon Prime.